Welcome to How to Draw Anything. Today we're drawing eyes in 8 simple steps. Grab a pencil and some paper and let's go. Step 1. Oval guides. Begin by lightly sketching 2 tall oval shapes side by side, one for each eye. Draw a light vertical line between them to keep the spacing even, and make sure both ovals sit on the same level so the eyes look straight ahead. Keep your pencil pressure very light, because these guides will disappear later. 2. Thick lash lines. Now draw the upper lash line on each eye. It is a thick, smooth curve that sweeps along the top of the oval, a little heavier than a normal line. At the outer corner of each eye, add 3 tiny curved lashes that flick outward. Make both lash lines match so the eyes stay twins. Step 3. Big round irises. Inside each oval, draw a big round circle for the iris. It should fill most of the eye and gently tuck up under the thick lash line, which is what makes the eyes look big and sweet. Keep both irises the same size and in the same position so the eyes look in the same direction. Step 4. Pupils and sparkles. Inside each iris, draw a large dark pupil. Then add the magic, 1 big round highlight circle at the upper left of each iris, and 1 tiny 4-point sparkle star at the lower right. Leave the highlights completely white with no pencil inside them at all. Those white shapes are what make the eyes shine. Step 5. Lids and eyebrows. Under each eye, draw a thin, gentle lower lid line and add 3 tiny lash ticks along it. Then float a short, soft curved eyebrow above each eye, following the same curve as the lash line. Keep the eyebrows light and smooth so the face stays calm and friendly. Step 6. Shading and shine. Finish by shading the top of each iris softly under the lash line so the eyes look round and glossy, and darken the pupils fully around the white highlights. Add a light scribble of blush under each eye for extra cuteness. Then go over the whole drawing, pressing harder to darken your final lines while the early guides disappear. Step 7. Add tone and shade. Time to learn tone. Decide where your light comes from and imagine it shining from the top left. Now shade the opposite side with the side of your pencil in soft, even layers. Shading is what makes your drawing feel round instead of flat. Step 8. Finishing touches. The last minute is where the magic happens. Press harder on the outer contour so it stands out, and keep the inside lines thin and soft. Add a few short strokes for texture and give the drawing a soft shadow to sit on. And you're done. Well drawn. Want to turn your own photo into a lesson just like this one? Visit howtodrawanything.app. See you at the next drawing.